This is for new users of the Love to Ride platform. And also, if you've already signed up, you're not really sure you're getting the whole gist of it. This is more information on how to get the most out of the platform. So it's a website. It's a website you can view on your laptop. It's a website you can view on your phone, and it integrates with your things that you're already using for tracking rides. That's the whole purpose of the thing. Is the platform is that it's used on the phone. It's used. It's very easily accessible, and it's used to make it so that it's more fun to ride and help to motivate you to ride as well. Look at all these people. They're having so much fun on bicycles because they use Love to Ride. The way to find it is on lovetoride.net/San Diego County. You can see that here. Once you've registered, you're taking part as an individual. There's ways that organizations can sign up. There's ways that if you were the engineer who ran the events at your company, then you'd interact with the website slightly differently. But today we're talking about registering as individuals. As an individual, you can join clubs, you can join workplaces, and through those things, that's the way you're motivating yourself, and that's the way you're motivating other people. So everything you need to know is on the homepage. You'll see things when you're on Love to Ride, which I encourage you to go to literally right now. Go ahead and type it into your browser and look at it as I'm talking. On the Love to Ride website, this Love to Ride is all over the place, but we're just talking about San Diego County because obviously that's where I live and that's where you live. There's things happening throughout April. April's almost done. Bike month is almost here. Oh my gosh. It happened so fast. And so when you're on the website, there's things you can find about events that are happening in San Diego, and there's also information you can find about your own profile. Go for it, Sylvie.
Oh, cool. That's me. So as you look at this, you'll see a couple of things. You have a place that you can join and be involved with clubs. Bam, that's that place. You can also join an office team. If you have an existing one, excellent. You just join it. And you have all these stats and this fun stuff too. So you can see the total amount of miles you've gone, how many CO2 emissions you've saved. And if you click one last time, Kevin, you've got badges you can win. This is the best thing. This is all about gamification. So it's not just like, oh, I'm going to get on my bike and bike 50 miles and come home exhausted. But it's how can we make biking fun so we get new people excited about it? So you can win badges. Also on that profile page, this is how you begin to win stuff and get points. And we have tons of cool things to give away. So you can log bike rides, you can add photos, set goals, invite people to join. Badges we talked about, I love those. I just got a new bike badge 2 weeks ago.
But Sylvie, how do you log your rides?
Oh, we'll show you that in a second. But I want to tell you all one last thing, which is next page, that's fine. If you've gotten fatigued on just downloading so many new apps, the cool thing about Love to Ride is it connects with existing bike apps you have. So if you use Strava, Map My Ride, Endomondo, you can just connect that with Love to Ride. And anytime you go out biking, it'll automatically get added to the Love to Ride page. And so it takes actually nothing new to be able to win stuff. Kind of cool. So let's talk about how to connect with bike clubs and jobs and everything else. Kevin, take it away.
Cool. So when you're on your profile, after you first set it up, there's a couple things to notice. And the first is you want to connect with other people in your area and other people that have the same interests as you. This is the way to get more people to ride together, but ride separately. Clubs are one of the best ways to do that. So I don't necessarily mean people who've formally joined a club and are paying dues and whatever else. Sometimes the clubs are just about people that ride mountain bikes. Sometimes the clubs are for people that do beach cruiser rides. Sometimes there's all kinds of different clubs. So looking for those on the website, joining the ones that you think are interesting to you, will then put you in that club. And then you as a club are working towards common goals, which is kind of fun. There's also workplaces. Presumably you work somewhere. I don't know for sure. I'm not going to make any assumptions, but for those of you that do work somewhere, part of the fun is signing up your whole workplace. So if you're not on there already as a workplace, then you can add that workplace. It's registering a new office. It's easy to find. And then once you've done that, you're talking about the size of the workplace. You're talking about how many other employees there are. And then you're competing against other workplaces of that same size. So you at Pharmaceutical Company A now can see, compared to Pharmaceutical Company B with the similar number of employees, how much better you're doing than they are, how much better they are doing than you are. And by better, I don't necessarily mean more trips or more rides. I mean, well, I'll get to it in just a second. Before I talk about that, I want to talk about May specifically, because May is starting before you know it. May 1st starts with our Bike Month kickoff party. Hooray, super fun. It's a party. It's online. Find the link on our website. And after that is week 1. We've split May into 4 different weeks. There's New Rider Week. There's Family Week. There's Sandag Bike Anywhere Week, which replaces Bike to Work Day. And then the week 4 is the Women, Trans, and Femme Week. And then we've got the 30-30 Challenge at the end of the month. More information about all of these things can be found on the Bicycle Coalition's website. And we're using Love to Ride integrated with all of these things. So it's important that you sign up for that if you want the full extent of what it is that we have. And you want to learn about the prizes. Take it away, Sylvie.
Okay, we've taken you back to the website. So this is the main page. You click to the prizes button. Kevin's going to click and you'll see that button. Excellent. That will take you to a couple options. They do have national prizes, so anybody globally who's doing Love to Ride can win stuff. But we've got local San Diego County stuff, and that's the stuff that we have gotten excited about. So this is what we got. Kevin's just going to click, 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 click. All these things will pop up. Oh my gosh. We actually have like thousands of bucks of stuff to give away, and we'll show you how to do that in a second. Okay, so this is how you can win stuff in Bike Month. To begin with, you got to sign up, you know that, and then you have to find out what the challenge is each week. Each week we have those themes like Kevin showed you, and you have a couple of ways to complete the challenges. So they might be riding challenges, might be posting some kind of social thing, so a story, a photo. There might even be points challenges, and we'll talk a little bit about how to get points also. But I wanted to let you know we have a few bonus things if you live in San Diego, and we'll just keep building on this. But a couple of local companies that also totally dig biking want to give back to cyclists. So all month long, all May long, these 2 companies will be giving people discounts. All you got to do is use the discount code, hop in and say, hey, it's Bike Month. I'm doing the Bike Month challenge. And we'll keep posting info about how to take advantage of some of those special things too.
Tell them Mr. Kevin sent you. So, ride challenge. There's 4 different challenges that were listed: ride challenge, story challenge, photo challenge, and points challenge. Rides challenges are about logging rides. Now, we've said that if you are already linked up with Strava or any of those types of apps, it'll log it automatically, which is awesome. You can also log it manually and say what type of ride it is, which is great. There's also story challenges, which I think is Sylvie's favorite. Yes?
Oh my gosh, yeah, I'd love to just show you 2 of the ones that came up in the last week that I find so sweet. So this is someone who went biking with a bunny in a basket, which I love. I don't think they make bunny helmets. If they did, it sounds like this bunny kind of needed a helmet. And I go on the stories page when I need a little pick-me-up. And so some of the challenges will ask you to just post up a story, maybe add a photo, put in a hashtag so that we can easily find it, validate it, get you signed up to win something. But this is like my happy place. Oh, look at these people.
And because one of the things I've noticed is that the people that ride every day already are not the ones that are most likely to share the stories. It's the people that are the most excited to ride. And that's the people that have the bikes that they haven't ridden in a long time. And this is the thing that's gotten them out. And they want to share that motivation. And so if you're looking to get motivated, looking for these story challenges is a great place to do that. We've also got the photo challenges. There's ways on the website to add a photo. When you do that, make sure if you are going to submit it to a certain contest that you're using the appropriate hashtag. And you can see here, there's these nice little high fives that you can virtually give people, which are a lot of fun. And then finally is points challenges. People that encourage other people to ride get the most points, not people that ride the most. So the better you are at getting more people signed up, the better you are at having new riders ride more, either in your workplace or just your friend group or whatever it is. The point of the app, the point of the program is getting more people on bikes, period. Not necessarily getting people to ride further, farther, faster, although that's part of it. But as you concede, ride 1 mile gets 1 point. Get one new rider, that's 100 points. So it's a big difference, and it highly encourages you to get more people on bikes riding more, as we all do throughout all months, but Bike Month specifically. So lovetoride.net/San Diego County. It's free, and the more people that sign up, the more fun it is. Find your friends, ride with your friends virtually, so you don't have to always ride right next to them. And that's all I got. What do you think, Sylvie?